Hello, it's Marco Torch here from Marco 3D, and today we're just going to quickly talk about how much I actually made in my first month of being monetized. You little ripper. So this is my homepage. I've got TubeBuddy activated, which gives me quite a bit more analytics and helps me with the channel. Link in the description for that. We can see that my current real-time subscribers is 3,379, and we can see, steady growth in subscribers over the past 30 days. If we come into analytics, you can see here that I am uploading 3 videos a week at the moment, really trying to pump in those numbers, trying to get those views. I got 170 videos at the moment, so I have quite a bit of content. If we come up to here, we can use Social Blade, which will give us some more statistics. Estimated earning is between $13 and $212. Yeah. And if we come down here, we can see that, I'm always getting 1,000 views a day, which is pretty good. And we can see probably about January is where I got TubeBuddy. And also at this point here, I was doing the 3 videos a week to really just get myself out there. And you can see it's paying off. So that's good. If you have any interest in 3D stuff, such as Blender, if you are interested in Unreal or 3D printing, I'll be just doing 3D printing videos now because I've also got an Ender 3 sitting right next to me. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, just to keep up to date with my content. So in my first 28 days of being monetized, I made 90 bucks, which, you know what? That's not too bad. I mean, I've got 3,000 subscribers. I'm still trying to build that audience base. If we have a look overall how many views it was, only 40,000 views. The watch time's pretty low, and I'm getting an average of about 2 minutes 20, I believe, average watch time. Come over to interested viewers, we can see it's actually 1:50. However, all my videos are pretty short. They're normally under 3 minutes. I like to keep the tutorials short and sharp. I hate when people talk about their dogs and so on, even though I'm talking about a dog right now. That's what I try and strive for my channel to be, is these short, sharp tutorials. And if we come over here, we can see in the last 28 days or 30 days, I'm only getting 40,000 views, which, is peanuts to some of the big channels. Coming over to build an audience, watch time for my subscribers, not subscribed. 85% of people that watch my stuff are not subscribed, which is a killer. And my channel is pretty much a sausage fest. So obviously you've come here because you're intrigued about the title. Please subscribe so you can see more of this content, and let me know if you want to see more of this content. If you want to know more about the monetization process and so on and so forth.